Beneath the velvet shroud of night, I stand alone, my heart astray, upon this vessel's creaking deck, where shadows dance and waters sway. The constellations overhead in silent vigil they keep, while beneath their watchful gaze my crew in peaceful slumber sleep. A pirate's life, a path I chose, where freedom reigns and spirits soar. Yet these rolling waves my soul does battle with its war. The stars they whisper tales of yore, of love and loss, of pain, of glee, and in their glow I find myself pondering what is yet to be. For every treasure that we've claimed, for every conquest won by might, lies a trail of broken dreams and souls lost in the endless night. The guilt it clutches at my heart, relentless, unforgiving foe, reminding me of all the hurt, the sorrow I've come to know. Yeah, amidst the sea of doubt, the flicker of a flame that's burned for the love that lies behind, for whom my heart does yearn. The distance lasts the time so long, upon the fray a love may wane, but in the quiet of the night I whisper gently, hooray. Does she think of me as I do of her 'neath starlit skies? Does she forgive the life I've led, the secrets kept, the endless lies? Oh, how I long to hold her close, to share the tales of seas uncharted, to find redemption in her eyes, and mend the past from which we parted. So here I stand, a pirate bold yet humbled by the stars' soft light. A heart once filled with wanderlust, now dreams of love lost in the night. May fate be kind, may seas be calm, and guide me back from whence I came, to shores where love and forgiveness dwell, and life begins anew aflame.